Press automation isn't just about replacing manual work. It's about producing more, with less variation, under tighter timelines. Manufacturers are being asked to move faster. Customers want shorter lead times, higher output, better traceability, and fewer quality issues. In defense, the pressure is even greater. Parts must be repeatable, documented, and produced reliably at scale. That changes the role of automation. Automation can keep material moving, reduce idle time, improve cycle consistency, and remove bottlenecks between operations. It can reduce scrap, limit rework, support faster changeovers, and help operators manage more production with less physical handling. It also gives manufacturers better control. Process data can be captured automatically. Critical parameters can be monitored on every cycle. Variation can be identified earlier, before it turns into a quality problem or missed delivery. The biggest concern is usually cost. But the real question is not simply what automation costs. It is what inconsistency, downtime, labor shortages, slow throughput, and quality escapes are already costing the operation. Adoption still needs to be managed carefully. Operators should be involved early. Controls need to be intuitive. Maintenance teams need training, and automation should be applied where it solves a real production problem, not added for its own sake. Done properly, automation does more than improve a press. It turns the press into part of a faster, more predictable, and more scalable production system.